Alright, so a quick tutorial on the expectations for your coloring of your mandala. As you can see, you can fade from one color down to its lighter version, or you can fade from one color to another. Remember, they need to be next to each other in the color wheel to make it fade correctly. Alright, so one thing I want you to make sure you understand. Here's my middle, and remember this is radial balance. If I do something over here, I have to do the exact same thing here. And there, and there. In this case, I decided that what I was doing in those four directions, I would do in these four as well, because they were very, very, very similar. These are just slightly smaller, and the pieces inside are more pointy than round. Here, same, 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 same. These are the same, and so forth. So, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some orange and some yellow, be a little different with this. I'm going to come in with the yellow. I'm going to put the camera where you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to come in, and that means if I'm doing this one like this, I'm going to be doing that one, and this one like this. So, I'm going to go in, I'm going to start in my yellow, I'm going to do it about 3/4 of the way down. I'm going to come in with my orange. I can do my little borders like that, but then I want to use the side of the color pencil. I gotta be careful with this because yellow is so light. So you want to be careful not to go too dark with your orange, or you'll overtake that yellow a lot. Come back. And then I would turn, do the same thing here. Color, color, color. You notice I'm going to handle all the things that are going to be the same first, because if I stop coloring midway and switch, I might lose that exact color and it could turn out looking different. We want it to look as similar as possible to this one. Remember, I'm moving a little fast because I'm used to this. You can move on the slower side. Practice on another piece of paper if you need to. I'll show you my swatch paper I was using for my 7th grade class here in a moment. So there's that. I still probably need to push it a little bit more. Remember, don't necessarily use the tip of a color pencil, use the side. Tips leave harsh marks. So this is my tester paper. If you need to know if two colors are going to go well together, or if they're similar, put them next to each other. That's what I did here. Alright, and that's it. If you have more questions, just let me know.